Hey there, live stream. It's your boy, Cool Skeleton 95, and it's time to make a peanut butter sandwich. So just get that bread out and slap it. Slap it deep into the toaster. Just pull the lever down and put the toast inside. Now things are going to get hot. They're going to get so gosh darn hot in that gosh darn toaster oven. Do you feel the heat wafting up? Do you feel the heat just building up, humans? Well, its time is coming up, and now that toast is just gonna pop! All over the place. Now grab that hot toast in your hand. Don't burn yourself. Practice safe cooking.
Toaster handling.
Handling, that's right. Marco knows all about how to handle the toast. So just grab that toast and slap it on your plate. Now get that butter, get that knife, and insert the knife into the butter and just along the top. You know what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. You know what you're supposed to do with that knife that's sliding across the top of that butter. Now when you've got a good old amount of butter on your knife, take it to your hot, bubbling toast and just spread it over the top, and it's going to get moist. That top of the bread is going to be so gosh darn slippery with that butter. Now you pull out your peanut butter. Do you know what you do with your peanut butter, Julia? Do you know what you do with the peanut butter?
I think she left.
Do you know what you do with the peanut butter, Marker?
Oh, you slather that shit all over.
Firstly, don't swear. Secondly, you don't slather. You take that peanut butter in your hand and you throw that away, because what we're gonna make is a peanut butter sandwich with Vegemite. So grab that Vegemite. You insert your knife all the way in. Just grab it all. Just slap it on top of your toast and just go back and forth. Yeah, get that Vegemite all over it and just grab it up and just gag it. Put it in your mouth.